What is up, ladies and gentlemen? And looky here, Tennessee got some snow. Pretty sweet. And I want to do some bass fishing today. Good morning. It is roughly 11 o'clock in the morning on this beautiful warm evening. This is Tennessee's second snow this year. Yeah, second snow, so it's pretty sweet. We got a little bit more than we did last time. I think we were expecting 2 to 4 inches. But anyways, I want to do some bass fishing, so we're going to go in the garage. Flip on the little switch here. Alright guys, we are in the garage now. We're going to grab a few rods. This is going to be, well, first of all, I'm moving out to the garage here soon, or barn, or whatever you want to call it. I'll take y'all upstairs. Hold on. So here's our barn, garage area. Keep all our junk and stuff. And up here is like a little loft area, you could say. But anyway, so come up the stairs. This side's gonna be a bedroom, and then this side is going to be the living area. We got a bathroom right here, a little closet, and then a living area. As you can see, we're not close to being done. But anyways, that's the gist of it. I'll keep y'all updated on that. But anyways, downstairs I'm gonna have all my fishing stuff. So right now I have all my rods and tackle and crap down here. Right now, a couple of my rods are just laying over there. I got a little workbench behind me that has some of my jig making stuff and some of my tackle, just some of my random fishing stuff. And actually my tackle bag down there. So, but anyways, we're going to grab a couple rods and take them inside and get them rigged up. We'll go do some bass fishing. Alright guys, what's up? I actually got my rods rigged up now, so I'm ready to go. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing real fast for you guys. I actually got these baits a while ago. As you can see, the box is already open. But I kind of want to show you guys what I got. So these baits are actually pretty cool. I picked these up. I think I got them actually a month ago. I just haven't got around to go fishing the Holston yet. So I kind of want to show you guys what's in here. So I'm going to open this up and give y'all a little peek. Well, the box was at least halfway open. So this little package is a Nico Baits Helgramite. These little bugs there's 4 in a pack, but they are super durable, super stretchy. They're kind of like the Z-Man kind of products, kind of like that. They're super elastic, super stretchy, super durable. Catch a lot of fish on them as long as you don't lose them. And I'll open this up and kind of show you what I'm talking about. It's nice to have that little tear, the seal on it to keep your baits fresh before you get to using them. And then of course you got your standard just Ziploc bag. Oops. Grab one of these guys out of here. Alright, the first impression, it's kind of sticky. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that's part of to make sure that they stay in the bag properly. But first impressions, it looks very realistic. Looks really nice. And this is the stretchy part I was talking about. See, they're super stretchy, super durable. Gonna last a long time. You'll catch a lot of fish on these. This is supposed to be a green pumpkin color. It has some blue in it, it looks like. Blue, purplish. And then it kind of has a green pumpkin on the back side. But a really nice bait. See, super stretchy. It goes right back to how it was, though. I'm probably going to rig this up on just a little ball head jig and feed it on there. But there it is. A little Helgramite from Nico Baits. Pretty sweet. and gentlemen, I've decided we are going to go do some fishing today, even though it is freezing cold. But you know, still got to fish, still got to get out there and grind. So let's get to the first spot. See y'all soon. Peace. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here now. Just got to the first spot. We're going to be fishing the little pond beside my house. This is our first stop, hopefully of many, and hopefully we can pull out some fish. This is fishing after a snowstorm. Peace. Alright, boys and girls, we are out here. I'm going to start off throwing this little, it's actually a tungsten finesse football jig. Got it in my mystery tackle box, and I got a little Walkingbait Bandito bug on the back of it. Hopefully that'll, hopefully we can draw a few strikes with that, get a few bites, and get a fish or two. Let's see what we can do. Well, guys, jig did not work. Didn't get any bites, nothing. Don't know if I should stay here or and try to figure something out, or should I move and go to a different lake or pond or whatever. I think we go down to that's the tractor trailer drives by. I think we should go down to the river. Well, we are headed to the second spot. We're gonna head down to the Holston River. As in we, I mean me and BASSIN Beer. No luck at the first spot, and let's get to the second one. Peace. Guys, spot number 3. Nice little, it's supposed to be a clear pond. It's kind of muddy today, but it's alright. We're still going to fish. It's cold. My hands are frozen. Excuse me. Oh man. But anyways, we're going to throw some baits out. Probably throw a jig around, maybe a chatterbait, maybe a swim bait. I don't really know. But let's go get rigged up and get to fishing. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode of Country Bassin'. Hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of switched up a little bit, did more of like a vlog style where I kind of not fishing the entire video, but let me know if you guys like that. Leave a thumbs up if you do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that it's gray. That means you've subscribed to Country Bassin'. Appreciate it. And if you haven't, hit that little bell notification. Makes you sends you updates on every time I upload a video, stuff like that. Keeps you guys updated. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you, and I'll see y'all next time. Fist bump.